Okay, stop whatever you're doing. This is by far the most powerful way to heal and connect with your inner child. If you are a people pleaser or you've been abandoned and rejected in the past, do this right now to completely heal your connection with a little version of you. If you can do it right now, favorite and save this video for later. Before we begin, on a scale of 1 to 10, how connected do you feel with your inner child? 1 being very disconnected and 10 being I feel good and very connected to my inner child. You can leave your number right now in the comments below because you need to remember this number. We are going to revisit this scale at the end of the tapping. So you can leave the number down below right now, okay? Let's begin. I really want to connect with my inner child, but I don't know if they want to. I've been through a lot. I've done a lot of things that made my inner child feel neglected. And I don't know, are they mad at me? Because I didn't mean to do all those things. I did it out of protection. All the times I abandoned myself for another person, it's because I was looking for validation. I was looking for some place to belong. And I felt lost within myself. I hope my inner child is not too mad at me, because I feel disconnected from them. I know my inner child feels fear and anxiety. I know they feel doubt and worry. I know they feel not good enough sometimes. I honor their experience. And I'm ready to acknowledge the part of me that feel left behind. I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. I love myself for all of my imperfections and flaws. I accept the fear, worry, and doubt my inner child still may be feeling. And I forgive them for abandoning themselves for so long. My inner child had to please others to feel safe. They felt abandoned and rejected. So the only way they knew how to survive was to seek for validation. So today I'm ready to create a healthy connection with my inner child. I can start slow and gentle. Dear inner child, I see you. I'm reaching out to you. I see you and I am here for you. You're safe in my presence. I'm here to protect you now. You don't need to seek external validation anymore, because our validation is enough. I know you're still scared, but I want you to know that I love and accept all of you. I honor your experience and your feelings. I see your fears and your worries. I'm here to understand you today. I'm here to listen to you. You are not alone anymore. I'm here for you. And together we can get through anything. I'm here to soothe and comfort you. It's okay to feel scared. I am the adult now. I will protect you. You don't have to worry about feeling abandoned or rejected anymore, because I will never abandon and reject you. You don't need to please others to feel safe, because I am here to keep you safe, my inner child. I know you have felt alone in the past, but we're together now. We are safe and we are loved. You can trust me, because my priority is always to keep you safe, loved, and protected. Okay, let's take a deep breath in and gently release. Wow, I felt the shifts with that one. Drink lots of water and be gentle with yourself. Okay, now let's revisit the scale. How connected do you feel to your inner child now? Did your number go up? Let me know. I would love to hear about your experience with this tapping. And thank you so much for tapping along, for doing this brave and courageous work. I love you. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.